Hey everybody, I'm Nate Brown. Behind me is a tractor I've had for a little while. It's a Shibaura SD 1840. Um, and I've had it again for a little while, but it needs a little bit of maintenance, and it's a Japanese uh, tractor that, from everything I've researched so far, seems to be relatively close to the older Ford 1500s. And I just looked around and never found anything specific for this tractor on maintenance of any kind, really. So I thought that I would put something together just to show you basic maintenance on this particular tractor. So today we're going to be changing the oil, and yeah, let's get to it. So this is a Fram PH3682. Now I went to a couple places, and they didn't carry that particular filter. So what I did was I just cross-checked, and I found this guy here. So yeah, it just goes to show you, if you can't find something that you need specifically, there's probably something else out there that'll work. Ready? I don't know if you can see it. There's the drain right there, and I'll get in there and loosen it a little bit. Alright, there we go. And as you can see, it's really black, so I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Yeah, definitely needed to be changed. These tractors are tanks. I live on a little over 4.5 acres, and gosh, I cut the back field, I cut a horse's pasture. It's got a front loader and a box scraper, and it's a tank. It does everything. It's been a great tractor. Let's let that drain out a little bit. Alrighty, so I've let the oil drain out. Now I got to take the filter off. I don't actually have a oil filter removal tool, so I kind of adapt. So I have a washcloth, and then yeah, a wrench. So we'll see if it works. Okay. Yeah, we're getting it. Nice. Nice. That worked out pretty good. Not bad. Oh man. Yep, definitely You can see it's pretty thick and hasn't been changed in a little while. So let's let all this drain out too. So now I've let it drain out a little bit, as much as I think it's going to at this point. I'm just going to clean this. Clean the inside a little bit. Alright. So, now that I have that all cleaned up, I have filter STP S2827 is what I have, and then I just bought some Rotella SAE 15W40 for the oil, but there was another guy I was watching on YouTube that said it's a good idea to fill this up a little bit with oil. Obviously I'll take a little bit, put some around the rim. Alrighty. So now put that back over here, and we will install this. Hopefully, I mean, there might be some oil that comes out. Hopefully not a lot, but let's see how long it takes me to wind this sucker on. Okay. Get a little tighter. Alright. Well, I think we're good there. So next thing we'll do is cap it off on the underside and then add oil to the top. So there you have it. Just down and dirty, super quick. I guess tutorial on how to change the oil in a Shibaura SD 1840 specifically. But some of the videos that I have seen, the old Fords, at least the ones that I was watching about the 1500, they're pretty similar. So, but thanks. Yeah, hopefully this helped. Just the whole goal was just to do a video specifically for this tractor, and to learn. So yeah, I hope it was informative for you, and yeah, I'll probably post a little bit more, a few more, as I go through this, just simple fixes here and there, just trying to spruce up the tractor. Thanks for watching.